waiting for our stuff. We got the dog's new beds. Got this one for the big dog. Got this one for the little dog. And it's raining today, guys. It is raining today. I don't know if you can see out there, but it's hard to see. We're supposed to get delivery soon, and it's gonna be a wet one. Super tiny. My stuff is on the floor. It's gonna be a challenge. We're gonna have to make it work. It's the master bathroom. It's not that big a deal. I think this is the most exciting thing upstairs. Having this. Get our couch set up here, treadmill here, workout bench there, TV on this wall. It'll be fun. Workout room. Craft room. So, see how fast this fan is going? And trust me, we pulled on that chain so many times. Still hasn't changed. So this one, we're going to put the twin bed in here. So we're only gonna have a twin bed in this room because this is the craft room. And I'm gonna set up my tables over here and then put my storage into these closets here. 1, 2. Front door. This is our dining room. Front door. Dining room. It's our direct TV. It's supposed to be our internet. We got a lot of boxes out, guys. I'm sorry I didn't show you video of the boxes, but boxes are boring. And here's the pantry. So it's about 4 o'clock already. We just had so many maintenance people come by to try to fix our situation with this military house. And here's not enough storage. It looks like a lot, but it's not useful storage. So this is our very limited kitchen. I have eliminated so much of my kitchen. And we still have to use this. So, the big wire shelf, brand new, microwave, brand new, because they don't do that here on post, apparently. That I always have. It's got my baking stuff in it. Cupcake carriers, so miscellaneous things. This is not where everything's gonna live. We just wanted them out of the boxes. Still more stuff. This is all overflow from my laundry room. Now Christmas and Halloween and decorations are all here in this storage under the stairs. And so you cut through, more Christmas, son's college refrigerator, husband's work stuff, with the brooms on. lined up almost. Extra rugs. We've got all our boxes from before for our TVs. And then we're all to the other side. We have the laundry room, and yes, we have more storage up there, but it's very limited space. Washer and dryer works. This is the, I don't know, prep area.
No, this is more.
It's the fridge. So we still have our tools out because not all the boxes have been unloaded. So now we going into the family room, and we have the entertainment center put together. There's my end table. So the living room, this is the family living room, period. Everything is in here because we have this monster to deal with. So this will be our desk for Kellen to do homework. And there is our display. I gotta put that together. Here's more storage, and I believe there's boxes in here. Yep, sure are. Excuse you. Excuse you. The puppies are still adjusting. It's in there. This is storage. And let me see. So all our frames, because there's nothing on the walls. You see, nothing on the walls. They're all in here. We have from my husband's work and some gifts from when we left the last place. This was all in my living room. And there's more stuff from his work and this gigantic flag frame that he received as a gift when we left. Some more stuff from his office. They're just everything that was on the walls basically I'm putting in there because we need to keep the dogs away from the door. A new bar because we need storage. We need to eliminate and condense. More of the stuff that was on my wall in my living room may not go up again. The china cabinet has to live here in the corner because it really is nowhere else to put it. If I put that under here anywhere, it'll scratch the ceiling. So we'll keep it over there. And that's what we've got for the downstairs, and we're back at the front door. We just went all the way around, and then we go up the stairs. This is a very wide stairwell, but we have a pillar right up the middle from the old separation of the house. So let's go up here. So up to the right, now here and to the left.
No, you're not.
It's the workout room. It's my storage, more storage.
You
My
weren't the
clothes.
DJ either.
There's not enough closets in my room.
I broke the DJ. Oh,
The TV space. We gave away our tan love seat couch set because it just doesn't fit up here. Can't come up. Gave it away. And now it's just going to be the workout area with the TV, and then we're storing all our DVDs and CDs. More storage. I need to put my linens in there. And then right near my storage closet is the craft room.
really?
And we are not going to touch this room for another 2 weeks. They took every shelf, drawer, everything, took them out, put them all in boxes, so that just doubled my load. And underneath I have a twin size bed, if you guys remember I showed earlier. All these boxes, even that is empty. So they're all living in a box now. I have 2 closets in here, and I'm just kind of mad. I'm just kind of mad.
Okay.
So we won't touch that for a while. So these are my linens. Those are all gonna go into this closet. Those are mostly bedding. And now we're in, right here's Kellen's room, right in here. And there's the bathroom for the boys. Excuse my son, he's on his video game. So here's Kellen, my youngest. He has this huge room because my oldest son is in college. And we wanted to give Kellen the bigger room this time because he'll be here. So he has 2 closets because they're so tiny and they're just the same size for the master. For every room, they're the same size. So even he looks like he has a lot of clothes, but it's not. It's just the size of the closet. So now this is his room. We got his TV on his stand now, but I think later he's gonna have it onto the dresser. And we just finished unloading him. He does have a few boxes still, but they're just books that he's already read, and they might all go to Goodwill. So across the way, just the other end, the other side of the house. So here, because our closet situation is very tight, we have shoe racks. We've had this in our room before, but now it really makes sense, and we're just gonna buy a few more and put our shoes out here in the landing. All this will go away. That's gonna go over there in the linen closet. So here's the other end. We're just at the other side. And there it is. That's where I was shooting before. This is my oldest son's room. Small room. We just took all his boxes out. He had a bookshelf that was a full length and we cut it down. So now he only has a half. So he got rid of a lot of stuff to donate. So now we're in the master. Let me get back a little bit because the room is tiny. So you come in, here's our bed. Here is my tall dresser with the TV because yeah, this is so tight. No, my nightstand is on this end. There is a vent right down there. And we had to put the long dresser on this wall so that we're not blocking two windows. And each window has a vent. So it's like we gotta pick one. We can't put them exactly where we would really like them. So this is what we have. So this is his nightstand and his work closet. So you can see all his uniforms and stuff are in there that he needs for work. This little thing is going to transfer into our bathroom, and I can show you why. Because our sink is just a little cabinet, and these little things are like, they hold barely anything. It's tiny. Let me just back up. So that's what we have. And there's the first one that I bought because we have no bathroom drawers or storage. So we have to put everything we have in a drawer. This is all useless space to me. And then we're gonna change my husband's containers from this one to the one like that, to the big one, to this. Got to live with for now. The dogs sleep in here with us, so here is our second storage. So our towels will be in here, but the blankets and beddings and all that will go to the other side. Guys, as for now, that is as much as I got. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.